Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the text to a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture. After that, press on text down below and you can just enter a text now. Since this is a picture about cherries, I'm just going to enter cherries here. And that's pretty much it. After that, you can just press on done and the text is going to be added to the screen, basically to the picture, and you can just select the color of the text, and after that you can just place it wherever you want it on the picture. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.